Yeah.
Okay, one more bite.
One more bite. We got a picnic going. How cute, huh? Of course, it's us, as always. Look what we got. We got sandwiches, we got Quiznos, we got sour cream and onion chips, we got strawberries, we got Prosecco. Yes.
Bust it.
Bust it.
Baby, drop it.
And you can do your little juice. Got the hookah, got everything well set up. Fruit, pineapples, drinks, all that good stuff. Look, I even mixed up some juice to mix with our Prosecco. Some guava, some passion fruit, some mango lemonade, a little tropical juice. Taste it and see how it tastes. Oh girl, we gonna drink that, it's fine.
Very true.
It's fine.
Actually, I ain't trying to be like Riley, let me.
I forgot they got music on, so I ain't gonna be able to. Hey y'all, it's Wednesday. I have literally not picked up this camera. It's been a minute, so I do apologize. Look, I'm working on me. That's all that matters, okay? So it's Wednesday. I have did some content for today. I like my face, y'all, today. I just been on it, so getting back into the groove of being creative with makeup, and that was part of the reason why I got off for a minute, just to kind of refocus. But I don't want to keep making excuses. Let me just do my thing on here, you know. But yeah, I did some content today. I've been trying to get back into the groove of everything, and if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you are following me at a.royalphyllece. I know I'm going to put it on the screen for you guys. And if you are new, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching. And hey boo, yes, like, comment, and subscribe to this vlog, because girl, I got on here not looking dusty, and typically I be looking dusty. So yes girl. So yeah, it's Wednesday, not doing much today. Probably clean up, organize a little bit, do some more content things, organize. And yeah, today's gonna be boring, but this weekend though, so yeah, there's that. I want some champagne. Yeah girl, I want some champagne. Dueling is my everyday. Dueling is my everyday. Baby. Baby boy. Live your best life and be tripping on me. Acting like I gave about where you be. Baby. And then this is, it's just like the Prosecco. It's really good. I'll put everything in the description box though for you guys. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. What is going on? Okay. This thing is too long. Okay, you know what? Whatever you. Hey guys, it is Friday. Y'all see me? I'm so irritated because this is not my tripod thing for this. Actually, okay. I look real dusty, y'all. I'm sorry. Trying to get y'all over here. But yes, that's better. Hi guys. Today is Friday. The last time I talked to you guys was on Wednesday, I think. Didn't do much. I literally just got done dropping off my daughter. Went to the grocery store to go grab some stuff. I am baby free right now. Maybe baby free on on Sunday. That's up in the air. So yeah, I just got back from the grocery store and I'm about to just make some steak tacos. Let me stop saying but yeah, I'm getting ready to make some steak tacos, some steak tacos and eat, get my mind right. I really need to like straighten up a little bit and organize while she's not here. I kind of want to do something today. I don't know if I want to like turn up. I don't know if I want to like just go get drinks. I know I need to take some pictures today, so might figure something out for later. But yeah, it's Friday. Let's turn up a little bit. I got some champagne. Getting ready to throw that in the freezer, make these tacos. Just real quick, y'all. Just real quick. I know I look crazy. Yikes. Just real quick, I want to show y'all these two super quick potato recipes that I get from Kroger. It's the Kroger brand. It's the private selection brand. I've tried both flavors and they are so freaking good. This is the Herbs de Provence. They're just kind of like roasted potatoes. Literally, you pop them in the oven for like, or in the microwave. You don't take this off. You pop this in for, not this part, but you like leave it like that. The pack comes on here. Throw this in the microwave for 5.5 minutes and literally just add butter and olive oil or butter, the seasoning pack, and literally that's it. I like to cut them up though in half because I'm black, okay? I like flavor, just saying. So I like my flavor to be in my potatoes, girl. So these are fire and they're so quick. And then they ran out of these, but this is the one that we had at first. Woo! I love me some truffle. Oh Lord, truffle is everything to me. So these right here, fire. My daughter obsessed with this flavor, y'all. So y'all gotta try these. But let me get my food because I'm starting to get a headache and I want to drink. And yeah. Hookah. I'm trying to get my life, girl. I just brought the whole bottle over here because sis, I am looking crazy with my little hair out, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm getting ready to watch this show I've been watching with Eve in it, called All the Queen's Men. So I'm on the 2nd episode. It's all right. It's all right. We gonna see how I go, but I'm about to eat my tacos. I'll show y'all my tacos. That's my tacos. I don't want to get it. Okay. So yeah, I'm about to eat my tacos, sip some champagne, hit some hookah, relax for a bit. And I'm gonna either be in the house chilling when y'all see me later, or I might be going out and y'all gonna come with me. So I don't know, we're gonna see how today goes. Happy Friday to you guys. Turn up. Okay. It's okay. At least it's not like too matchy.
It's because I really am sporty. I'm man.
Yeah, it's literally like hat.
I probably would have worn something different if I could wear my actual hair.
It was just too much. Okay. I'm probably not taking my camera. It's already cracked, and I feel like it's gonna be a lit night. So I'm just gonna sip a little something real quick. Actually, let me show y'all what I got on real quick. Excuse my room. Okay, let me show you what I got on. Because I had this on before, and okay. Okay. So yeah.
This is why I like not rushing makeup. Because I actually feel cute. Like, I don't feel like I could have did, like, dang it, I need to
Let me see.
look clutch.
Wait, before this Uber come. Before the Uber. Okay. This is some sweet rosé from, I don't know, I got it from Kroger today.
You got room and whatever you
Nope.
got?
Do you want to wear like this?
Or that, it's casual.
Or you want to wear the red one?
Nah, black. She said, got it. It said 2 minutes away. Over it go.
Oh, it's so bubbly.
And Rob. I really think Rob be living through us. He talking about how it is. I said, we in Rob, it's too early.
Ride by. Friend,
And
you
he
should
had
be
a whole
there.
dinner, so
Friend, you should be here.
he can't. Look,
I know, I know.
Couch, honey.
Already, nah, ain't nothing wrong with it. That's why I say I ain't wrong. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Do your thing, sir. Do your thing.
Couch. Do the couch.
Go ahead.
Didn't know you was still recording.
I mean, I can bleep out names too, so they really won't know what you're talking about. So.
Dad. Okay, let me restart from the other ring. And like it's gonna be tight.
Yeah, I had to put on my I had to put on the active one. I was like,
Not the active one.
I'm like, let me put on actual deodorant.
Sound like OD.
Nah, cause niggas be sweating.
I got that really big.
I'm not taking my camera. Cause I ain't got time. So it's Saturday, girl. And I'm in bed at, what time is it? Oh, excuse me. At, I've been seeing this so often. See it, 444. Am I seeing that? I can kind of see it, but it's 444. Y'all look dusty as always. But we ended up going to this club called Camp, and we go there often. When we do go out, that's like one of our little spots. And girl, I don't think we've ever been on a Friday. It was just very much, it was just, the crowd was different. Okay, I'm just say that the crowd was different. And it wasn't our typical crowd, so yeah, that's that. We knew somebody in there, so we ended up getting a little lit and ate and chill. And it wasn't even really nothing, like we wasn't catching just the vibe that we typically catch. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna just sit up here and record. Like we was literally just kind of drinking, and that was it. So there's that. I'm picking up my daughter today, or later on today, so I may either catch some more Z's before her butt get back, or I don't know, I might clean or something. So So wanted to check in with you guys, make sure that I get used to checking back in with you guys. And yeah.